All right, we have here some wheels for the Tarmac SL8. We've got some new wheels. Okay, Winspace sent us out some wheels, and full transparency, these were sponsored freebies. From my feedback, these are called the Mega, the Winspace Mega, and they are almost look like some lightweights. So we're going to suss them out and okay, so we got this. That's what they look like. So the carbon spokes, and it's quite an interesting design. Instead of lightweight, with lightweights, if you crack a spoke, you're done. These, if you crack a spoke, you can still replace it, but you replace the side of them. So something different there. Bit of proprietary stuff. But we'll put these on the bike and see how they run. Let's just do a bearing test first. I've been impressed with the stuff Winspace have done. You know, these are disc brake, and you know I'm not a fan of road disc compared to rim brake. But at the same time, I understand that people, they're like, oh, I want disc brakes. What wheel should I get, durianrider? And I'm like, okay, well then you can spend big bucks and get lightweights or Revales or Zips and stuff, or you can get as good quality or even better quality from people like Winspace. So the bearings feel good. What's that rattling? That's the valve. You know, yeah, the finish is good. The finish is good. Anyway, this is just the unboxing. All right, this is the unboxing. How they ride is what's important. And free hub of that, you know. These have got like a DT Swiss vibe to them. I'm not sure if they come out the same factory as DT Swiss, but the finish is very good. It's very, very a good finish, as we've come to expect from Winspace. It's got a carbon sort of weave there. The Megas, Lund Mega. So let's put these on the S-Works SL8, and we will get to business with that end. So just a quick unboxing here. Quick unboxing. This is what it's going to go on. Interesting design, isn't it?